Be honest. Have you ever said, I'll start tomorrow, and then tomorrow showed up, looked at you, and left? Yeah, same. Here's the real reason most of us fail. And it's not because we're stupid or unlucky. It's because we try to change everything at once, get tired in 3 days, and then quit. It's like deciding to run a marathon when you can't even find your shoes. Think about it. We plan big, study 6 hours, wake up at 5, eat perfectly, gym every day. And when we miss one thing, our brain says, "Welp, you messed up. Let's fail dramatically." But success doesn't work like that. It grows like a plant, not like instant noodles. So here's how to fix it. Start tiny. Read 5 minutes, not 50. Do 5 push-ups, not 50. Sleep 15 minutes earlier, not 3 hours. Win small, daily, and your brain starts trusting you. Soon those tiny wins stack up. And one day you look back and think, wow, I didn't need motivation. I just needed momentum. So don't wait for the perfect day. Start badly. Start messy. Just start and let tomorrow finally be proud of you.